Yeah, got it done. One done. Yeah, man. Straight. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. If you not believe in yourself, yeah, who you are gonna believe in, yeah. You might have believed in the Most High, but you still have to believe in yourself. Lots of people out there, yo, they not have no good to say a thing about you. Everything is bad, what them I say. But when you believe in yourself, yeah, when you believe in yourself, you will reach far in a life, yeah, and you will achieve your goals, yeah. Believe in yourself, believe in yourself, believe in yourself, yeah, believe in yourself, I believe in myself, it no matter what people want to say, yeah. I believe in myself, It no matter if people want like, it no matter if people want rate. I believe in myself, yeah. And every ghetto youth, every ghetto girl should believe in themselves. It no matter what people want think about you, yeah. I believe in myself. I believe, whoa. Yeah, believe in yourself. Yeah, believe. I believe in myself, yeah. So every ghetto you should have believe in themselves. Yeah, you have to believe in yourself, cause if you don't believe in yourself, who you are gonna believe in? You might have believed in the Most High, but you still have to believe in yourself. Nowadays people, them not have no good to say about you, yeah. Everything what them say is bad, yeah. Everything what them say is bad, yeah. Every ghetto youth, yeah, believe in yourself. I believe in myself. Doesn't matter what people wanna say. I believe in myself. So you better believe in yourself. Every ghetto girl, ghetto you believe in themselves. So you gonna believe in yourself. You only gonna believe in your mind. Believe in the Most High, you know. When you believe in yourself, you achieve your goal, yeah. I believe in myself. Done.